gusto ko maunang because I'm teary-eyed, I'm emotional. Every time, tumanda na ako dito, imagine 20 years, no? 20 years in the making, palagi ako nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon. You know, sabi ko nga kay Dr. M kanina, alam niyo daw, talagang biyaya ng Panginoon. Yung nandito na naman tayo ngayon, once again, we are gathered here. Ibang event na naman ito, introducing our new products, no? Sabi ko, hindi madali, sa totoo lang, to our valued distributors and dealers out there, to my family, sa lahat na to the media, sa mga influencers, to the bloggers. Talagang alam nyo, hindi madali, of course, to stay in the limelight for 20 long years. And maraming taon pa. Hindi ko ma-imagine, but you know, lagi ko na lang iniisip na, Lord, this is your company for the people. We are helping a lot. Sinasabi ko sa mga sa partner ko, kay Sir Kiko, sa mga anak ko, sa mga manugang ko, sa mga apo ko, alam nyo, talagang magtiyaga kayo. Magtiyaga kayo to love, to work, na asikasuhin ang wishay, because hindi lahat ng company, hindi lahat ng tao ay pinagkalooban ng ganitong klaseng hanapbuhay, most especially na talagang yung planta. We have a very good, beautiful, nice, clean, amazing manufacturing plant na nandyan pa talaga sa Dasmariñas Techno Park. Sa totoo lang, when I started like 20 years ago, alam nyo, hindi ko pwedeng itago. Biushi started with really a very humble and simple beginning. Nung wala pa talagang nakakakilala, it has a story to tell. Biushi has a very exciting, interesting story to tell that even to the last of my generations, talagang matutuwa sila, maa-amaze sila. Kasi how their lola started, you know, when there was no name yet. When there was, oh my God, we are beyond the ground, no? It was just me, my partner, Kiko, and God. Kami lang tatlo. So sabi ko, amen. So sabi ko, kung hindi ko, I know my intentions, I know the integrity, I know how good, I know how clean, I know how pure, I know how the products are religiously done. Sabi ko, kung hindi ko to ilalako, lako as in lako house to house, sa mga lugar kung saan medyo mabababa yung mga kalibre ng pamumuhay ng mga tao, because no one and nobody would believe me. Over and over again, kung ihaharap niyo ako sa mga tao and here, and this platform, lagi kong ikikwento where we started. 20 years ago, naglalako si Ma'am Che. Ang daming puhunan. The tears, the sweat, the sadness, the sorrow, the joys, the smile. Grabe. Nobody believed you, Shay. But because I have it in my heart, I know and I knew where we are going, because at sabi ko, Lord, kayo lamang talaga. There is no other. There is no guarantee. You alone is the guarantee. And sabi ko, Lord, make this company your instrument. Therefore, you own this company and there is a purpose. There is a purpose. Hindi ko na mabilang sa biyaya ng Panginoon. In our 20 years of existence, hindi ko na mabilang how many we have helped, how many we have sent to college, how many we have cured, how many we have sent to the hospital and eventually recovered, how many mouths in the jails you have fed, how many poor mothers we have helped in our simple livelihood programs and projects. Sabi ko, Panginoon, grabe, this is your company actually. Sustain us. Sustain us so that we can be an instrument. So I always tell my apo, now it's my apo, I always tell them that kailangan ninyong isang puso, no? Isang puso talaga ninyo, mahalin nyo ng todo itong company ito because this is actually an instrument. There is a purpose for our existence. Grabe. Kaya nga sabi ko, to all of you out there, kung kaya ko lang na, kasi you know what? I started sa pagsisikap, actually, it started, I have here my message prepared.